Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to our channel, where we're always on the lookout for the coolest gear to elevate your camping and hiking experiences. Today, we're diving into a treasure trove of the latest camping equipment that will take your outdoor adventures to a whole new level. When it comes to unforeseen events, preparation is key. The Luxem Emergency Survival Kit, priced at $34.36, offers 142 essential pieces to keep you ready for emergencies and unexpected situations. From first aid essentials to survival tools, this comprehensive kit ensures you're equipped for any scenario. Whether you're heading on an adventure or simply want peace of mind at home, the Luxem kit is a reliable choice. For a good night's sleep under the stars, check out this double sleeping pad. Priced at $44.99, it's not just any sleeping pad, it's a spacious 78 by 49 inches, with a built-in pillow and a self-inflating mechanism. Say goodbye to uncomfortable nights on the hard ground. Enhance cooking and outdoor adventures with the $17.99 GMH Collapsible Cutting Board. Its ingenious design combines a cutting board, colander, and basket, simplifying food preparation. Suitable for fruits and vegetables, this versatile tool saves space with its compact, under 2-inch foldable design. Enjoy convenience on the go and in your kitchen, making every task from chopping to washing a breeze. Upgrade your outdoor cooking with the Stanley Base Camp Cook Set, priced at $90. This comprehensive 21-piece collection is crafted from stainless steel and BPA-free materials, ensuring durability and safety. From pot, lid, cutting board, spatula, plates, spoons, forks, and bowls to a dish rack and trivet, every culinary need is covered. The nesting design optimizes space in your backpack, while the thoughtful details like the included cutting board and trivet enhance your outdoor cooking experience. Elevate your camp dining with this versatile cook set, perfect for both seasoned chefs and novice campers. Discover the unique Yearwood Burning Camp Stove, a compact powerhouse that's a must-have for backpackers, survivalists, and campers. Priced at $24.99, this foldable and portable stove redefines outdoor cooking. Crafted from solid stainless steel, it guarantees efficient burning and exceptional longevity, outlasting traditional furnaces. Its unique foldable design sets it apart, measuring just 18 by 16 by 2 centimeters when packed, freeing up space in your backpack for essentials. Fuel versatility is at your fingertips. Use twigs, leaves, pine cones, or wood found in nature. Solidified alcohol, coal, and even gas stoves can also be utilized. The unique Year Stove's straightforward setup involves only 4 components: main body, ash plate, coal grill, and pot stand. Simplify your outdoor cooking with this space-saving and efficient tool. Introducing the Tozi Plasma Lighter at $14.99, your windproof, waterproof, USB rechargeable companion. Its cutting-edge plasma technology ensures a flameless, reliable fire-starting experience. With up to 300 uses per charge, its durable polymer and aluminum casing, compact size, and easy activation make it perfect for EDC, camping, and survival. Attach it to gear effortlessly and be ready for any situation. Discover the Prepared 4X Emergency Rain Poncho with Mylar Blanket Liner, a true safeguard priced at $18.95. Crafted with NASA-engineered mylar, it offers tear resistance and robustness while retaining a remarkable 90% of body heat, a vital feature for warmth and safety. This patent-pending design is wind-resistant and waterproof, providing unbeatable protection without compromising your mobility. Comfort meets functionality with its spacious fit that accommodates most body sizes. Plus, it's ingeniously designed to fit over your backpack, keeping it both secure and dry. When it comes to outdoor preparedness, this poncho sets a new standard. Elevate your outdoor fun with the Tozi 36 and 360 LED flying disc, a thrilling addition priced at $39.99. Prepare for an unparalleled experience with these discs that feature 360 and 36 LEDs, boasting an astonishing brightness 1,000 times greater than traditional light-up discs. Customize your play with smart modes. Choose from 12 adjustable modes for the Ultra LED version and 8 for the LED version, tailoring timer and brightness levels to your preferences. Enjoy extended playtime with the motion sensors, as they automatically turn the lights on and off, preserving battery life for more excitement. Recharging is a breeze, taking only 30 minutes for hours of play. Not only are these discs brilliantly illuminated, but they're also brilliantly designed. With a phosphorescent rim and blinking feature upon landing, finding them in the dark is effortless. Their patent-pending design ensures a smooth flight, despite the electronics within. Weighing 175 grams and being waterproof and floatable, they're perfect for ultimate games. The comfortable grip and soft premium plastic rim ensure safe and enjoyable catching and throwing experiences. Indulge in the Kippur Solar Shower Bag, priced at $17.99, and transform your outdoor escapades. Crafted with environmentally friendly and leak-proof materials, this shower bag prioritizes safety while offering the convenience of a warm shower anywhere. With solar heating, water reaches 113 degrees Fahrenheit 45 degrees Celsius in only 3 hours, eliminating the need for gas or electricity. It's an ideal companion for camping and travel. Enjoy ample water capacity with up to 5 gallons, 20-liter, ensuring a refreshing shower even in remote locations. Compact and lightweight, it seamlessly fits into your luggage, backpack, or car trunk. Experience outdoor convenience with the Wolfwise portable pop-up privacy shower tent, priced at $40.99. This spacious changing room transforms camping, hiking, and beach trips. Effortless pop-up design ensures easy setup, making it a versatile solution for privacy and comfort. Experience upgraded outdoor comfort with 4 monster camping towels, priced between $9.99 and $20.99. Opt for the EVA box for cooler, more portable towel storage that also saves precious backpack space. Crafted with high-quality microfiber, these towels provide a skin-friendly, soft, and smooth feel after every use. Outperforming regular towels, they're highly absorbent and quick-drying, making them ideal for wiping sweat during outdoor activities, gym sessions, or as lightweight bath towels while backpacking. Enjoy vibrant colors that won't fade, thanks to natural plant dyeing. With durable stitching, accessories, and a scent-free finish, they're your go-to choice for body towels. Discover the Lepro LED camping lanterns, your go-to solution for outdoor lighting. Collapsible for easy storage, these lanterns are IPX4 water-resistant, ensuring reliability in all conditions. Perfect for emergencies, storms, and camping trips, they provide portable illumination you can trust. Elevate your outdoor experience with the Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock, available from $24.96 to $30.25. Whether you prefer single or double sizes, this portable hammock, complete with tree straps, offers a haven of relaxation for camping or indoor lounging. Experience cooking confidence with the Gas One GS1000 7650 BTU portable butane gas stove, priced at $24.99. Safety and convenience unite in the stove, featuring an automatic safety shutoff device that halts gas flow upon detecting irregular pressure, 5 to 7 kgf per cm superscript 2 or greater. A safety lever ensures proper canister placement by locking it only when the dial is off, preventing leakage. Moreover, the stove boasts a built-in cartridge ejection system, which swiftly removes the butane fuel canister in case of irregular gas flow and pressure, 5 to 7 kg per cm superscript 2 or greater. Prioritizing safety without compromising performance, this stove is your ideal cooking companion for camping, hiking, and outdoor adventures. Unveil the ultimate outdoor companion with the portable fan camping fan for tents, priced at $26.99. Enjoy a remarkable 25 hours of cooling and illumination, as this fan also serves as a lantern and ceiling tent fan. It's a versatile solution for a range of outdoor activities. Equipped with a 7,800 mAh power bank, stay connected and charge while on the go. The fan's clip and remote control feature offer added convenience, allowing you to attach it easily and adjust settings effortlessly. Experience enhanced outdoor comfort and functionality with the portable fan camping fan for tents. Whether you're camping, hiking, barbecuing, or facing a hurricane, this fan is your reliable partner.